In this video, I will show you how to use Manager.io. Manager.io is a free accounting software that stands out for its accessibility and flexibility, especially for smaller businesses and entrepreneurs who need professional bookkeeping tools without the high cost. One of its biggest strengths is that it can offer both online and desktop versions, giving users the option to work offline if they'd prefer, or even in the cloud if they need more remote access. The platform supports a wide range of accounting features, including invoicing, expense tracking, payroll and inventory management, which are typically locked behind paid plans in competing software. Another advantage is its multi-currency support and ability to adapt to global tax systems, making it useful for businesses that operate across different regions. Users can appreciate its clean interface and straightforward designs, which avoids overwhelming dashboards while still delivering immense value and essential tools that you need for day-to-day accounting. Despite its many strengths, Manager.io does come with some limitations and may hold back a larger organisation or users with complex needs. One of its biggest challenges is its lack of advanced integration with third-party apps and services. Unlike many competitors that connect seamlessly with payroll providers, e-commerce platforms, banking systems and more, Manager.io often requires more manual input, which can increase your workload. Another downside is that while the software is free, some advanced cloud hosting software services and additional features will incur cost. That, which can confuse users, especially if everything remains free. Additionally, the reporting features, while adequate for small businesses, will feel limited for companies that need advanced analytics, real-time dashboards, and more. Finally, because it's not widely adopted as big names like QuickBooks or Xero, user and community support are very limited, which can make troubleshooting more difficult as a beginner or a new user new to Manager.io. Pricing. The most attractive element of Manager.io is its pricing model. The desktop version of the software is completely free, with no hidden charges, for only the essential features like financial reporting, tax tracking, invoicing and more. This makes it one of the most budget-friendly accounting solutions on the market, particularly for freelancers or small businesses or even startups that are trying to keep their overhead low. For users who prefer cloud access, there is paid options that offer remote accessibility, backups and multi-user support. While the exact cost depends on the scale of usage, the cloud-hosted version is generally considered affordable compared to the other cloud-based accounting platforms. The dual offering, for free and offline and paid, gives businesses its flexibility to choose what's worked best for them. It makes Manager.io an appealing option for those who want an enterprise-level accounting tool without enterprise-level pricing. Manager.io is designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible for even users who do not have formal accounting backgrounds. The interface is clean and the menus organised locally to guide users through the essential tasks while creating invoices, recording payments and generating reports. Unlike some accounting platforms that overwhelm many users with excessive features and clustered dashboards, Manager.io keeps the experience straightforward, allowing people to focus on what matters most. The desktop version, in particular, is very lightweight and easy to install, running smoothly on most computers without requiring extensive systems. However, while the software is beginner-friendly, there is also a learning curve when it comes to mastering more advanced accounting processes, such as journal entries or reconciliation. Particularly, for those who are new to double-entry accounting systems, the cloud version improves its usability, with multi-device across and requires familiarity with the setup process, and managing permissions, which can be a small hurdle for some or non-technical users. Manager.io competes primarily with accounting platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, Zoho, Wave, and more. Compared to QuickBooks and Xero, Manager.io offers a more affordable solution, especially since the desktop version is entirely free. This makes it highly attractive to smaller businesses or startups that cannot afford or justify the subscription fees of its large competitors. However, where QuickBooks and Xero excels in its integration ecosystem and advanced reporting, areas where Manager.io still lacks. Against Wave, another free accounting software, Manager.io tends to stand out with its offline desktop version and broader feature set. While Wave relies entirely on cloud access, Zoho Books, meanwhile, provides a more modern interface and wider business automation tool. However, it comes at a steep cost. Overall, Manager.io distinguishes itself as a balancing simplicity and affordability through its best suite of smaller businesses rather than enterprise grade with complex financial management. Overall, Manager.io is a highly practical and cost-effective accounting solution that caters primarily to smaller businesses, freelancers and entrepreneurs who need reliable bookkeeping tools without the expense of traditional accounting softwares. Its ability to provide both free desktop versions and affordable cloud hosted give it a unique flexibility in the market, dominated by subscription models. The software covers all the essential accounting functionality, including invoicing, reporting, payroll, and more, while maintaining a user-friendly interface which makes it approachable for many different beginners or those who are on a tighter budget. At the same time, its limitations are worth noting, particularly the lack of integration with less robust reporting features. The smaller support community compared to major competitors also makes it difficult for people who do not want to phone up support. For businesses with more advanced financial needs, or those requiring deep software integrations, like platforms like QuickBooks or Xero, may be better suited. However, for the cost-conscious user seeking a reliable and straightforward system, Manager.io provides exceptional value, as it successfully bridges the gap between simplicity, functionality, and more, making it a standout option for those who want a more powerful accounting tool without the recurring cost. Manager.io is its design and interface. One of the most underrated strengths is its clean and modern design, which sets it apart from many free accounting platforms that often feel outdated or cluttered. The interface embraces simplicity with a minimalist layout to avoid unnecessary distractions, which makes it easy for users to navigate even complex accounting tasks. Buttons, menus, and input fields are all clearly defined and logically placed, creating a professional yet approachable experience. The modern aesthetics also tend its reporting tools, which generate crisp, well-structured financial statements that look polished enough for client presentation or board meetings. While it may not have the flashy dashboard of the more premium competitors, the balance of clarity, functionality, and price give it a contemporary feel and appeals to businesses looking for both style, substance, and usability, all in their accounting software for free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.